أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والسماء ذات البروج واليوم الموعود وشاهد ومشهود. قتل أصحاب الأخدود النار ذات الوقود إذ هم عليها قعود وهم على ما يفعلون بالمؤمنين شهود. وما نقموا منهم إلا أن يؤمنوا بالله العزيز الحميد الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض والله على كل شيء شهيد. إن الذين فتنوا المؤمنين والمؤمنات ثم لم يتوبوا فلهم عذاب جهنم ولهم عذاب الحريق. إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار ذلك الفوز الكبير. إن بطش ربك لشديد إنه هو يبدئ ويعيد وهو الغفور الودود ذو العرش المجيد فعال لما يريد. هل أتاك حديث الجنود فرعون وثمود بل الذين كفروا في تكذيب والله من ورائهم محيط بل هو قرآن مجيد في لوح محفوظ.
By the sky containing great stars, and by the promised day, and by the witness and what is witnessed, cursed were the companions of the trench of fire fed with fuel, when they were sitting near it. And they, to what they were doing against the believers, were witnesses. And they had no fault except that they believed in Allah, the Almighty, worthy of all praise, to whom belongs the dominion of the heavens and the earth. And Allah, over all things, is witness. Indeed, those who have tortured the believing men and believing women and then have not repented will have the punishment of hell, and they will have the punishment of the burning fire. Indeed, those who have believed and done righteous deeds will have gardens beneath which rivers flow. That is the great attainment. Indeed, the vengeance of your Lord is severe. Indeed, it is He who originates creation and repeats, and He is the forgiving, the affectionate, honorable owner of the throne, effector of what He intends. Has the story reached you of the hosts of Pharaoh and the Samud? But they who disbelieve are in persistent denial, while Allah encompasses them from behind. But this is an honored Quran, inscribed in a preserved slate.
فإذا قرأت القرآن فاستعذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
When thou dost read the Quran, seek Allah's protection from Satan the rejected one.